Hello again. I have it out of the holder so that I can show you some things. So, we'll see how I do. So I put together some of the things. I actually glued them. So here was the first one. Put the postcards on the front, and then each of these little things here. I glued them on. Cute. This was number 2 in the series. This is an item that they don't have you put together, they just have you glue it on at this time. So that's probably where, or I believe that is where some of the other things I was questioning were. And the water dispenser goes on top of that. This little cute shelf with a whole mess of books on it. I think I did the spacing and stuff pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. That big bouquet and that little tiny jar thing. So I have this taped because it wasn't staying on. And I glued the seat on here. And then each of these, this is one of the things that I was wondering what was going to happen with the one of the printouts that hadn't been mentioned. So you cut out each of the sheets, and then I just stacked them up and put a dollop of glue for each one. Okay, and then I believe this is going to go on a wall. That bead is another thing, the one on the bottom right, that they just say, okay, put this here, that you don't assemble prior. Cute. Whoa. Glue. The magic of glue. Let me just set it up here. Sorry about the creaky chair, as always. Cute. Those, I believe, are going on the wall. This one also. Okay, and I glued this on, and it didn't want to stay because these are kind of pokey. I haven't glued this yet, so I just put a piece of tape there for now. And, alright, gotta try and do this one-handed. I've glued this door frame in. I don't actually know that it's said to do that, but I've done this. And I put tape to try to pull the parts to rest against these two sides. This was one of the other cutouts that I was questioning. It goes here. And I think it's actually supposed to go back a little further, but I used it to cover up the gap in between the step. The other cutout that I was wondering about, this very tiny one, I can't even pick up this item. This is going to go on the door, like about here, somehow. And what else? Oh, these steps went on, this went on. And then back in here, I put 2 of the items and one right here. So the way it looks like this is lined up is the bottom comes to about this beam here, and then they go pretty close together, maybe to partially hide those wires. So there's that. Okay, and back to this here. So the one bookshelf's gonna go there. Those are 2 of the other little shelves. This is this cup hook, and these cups are going to go on it. And this is that other big shelf. And then after that, add in more stuff. Another shelf, the whole bar, planter chairs, this one here. So there's that little cutout I was worried about. The post box. Oh, that flower's going to go in the post box. Interesting. 2 frames on the wall. Okay. And a planter, table and chair set, and the piano. So next time, possibly everything will be in place, and I will have that to show you. So there we are. There we have it for now. Thanks for watching.